Hi guys, today I want to show you how to use Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to highlight your article. You can use any color that you enjoy. Okay, don't waste our time, let's do it. First of all, you need to go to your file and then you can open with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC for this one, and then you can go down to find where you want to highlight it. For example, okay, and then you can go to, if you want to highlight these sentences, you just go to tool, this one here, tool, and then you just go down to find comment, just open it, and then you just press on this one, highlight, and you can highlight it here for this one, and you can change the color at the right side. Yeah, you can go to green and opacity here, you can drag it to 100%. okay, and the second, you can change to yellow, and here it this one you can drag it, yeah, and you can go to another color here. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. If you like this video and helpful, please help me to like and subscribe as well. Thank you guys, thank you so much.